Hello, guys, and we are live. First, good evening from my side, and I would like to greet each and every one of you a pleasant good day wherever part of the world you are watching right now. This will be my third episode of my live session or sweet conversation with my very special guest. Uh, this will be entitled The Real Stories of Real People Doing Real Business. So let me first introduce her to you. She is a registered nurse by profession, a mom of two, a fellow Filipina now living in North Carolina, USA, and they love to travel. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome a proud fellow digital business owner, and she will enlighten us in today's session with her valuable learnings and shared experiences. Let's all welcome Sis Jerlyn Carrera. Hello,
Hello, sis.
sis.
Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. And good evening to your side.
Thank you. Good morning to you. So, hello, Sis Jerlyn. Thank you for accepting my invitation to be my guest.
Anytime, sis.
So sis, please greet our audience and please introduce yourself first before we go ahead with our my interview to you.
Yay. So, once again, good morning on my side and good evening, Philippines. So, my name is Rowan Carrera. I'm from Bacolod City, Philippines. Now residing in North Carolina, USA. I'm a registered nurse by profession, a mom of two, and of course, a proud digital business owner.
Yay! Same with me, proud digital business owner. So
Yeah.
sis, parehas tayong Pilipina. Originally, sis, where are you here in the Philippines?
Bacolod, Bacolod po.
Ay, Bacolod. Sige,
So,
feel free to speak kung saan ka po ano komportable. But
yeah.
first, oo. I have question for you sis dito sa pag-uumpisa ng online business natin. How did you get into this business and what is the story behind you joining this digital business? Basically, how did you become digital business owner?
Okay, so it started when I found an ad on Facebook. So I do Facebook once in a while. So I keep hold on, just let me just let my son be quiet. Hold on, be quiet for a minute. So yeah, it started with an ad on Facebook. I see most of everybody are doing this. Nurses, all professionals, but most of the time it's the nurses. So I was curious how what they're doing because they were saying some of them or most of them are saying, "Oh, I'm not doing nursing anymore. I'm just doing nursing as a part-time job." And some of them already quit their job because of this business. So I was curious, but of course I was skeptical because I'm scared to be scammed. But for 2 years, I've been seeing this on Facebook, and I was doing my research, because I've been curious. And then one day, my mentor, I know him back when I was in college. So I saw his post. We've been friends for since 2020, since 2010 when I graduated nursing. But then I haven't seen his post until, and then last year I saw his post, and I messaged him. I said, "Is this the same ads that I'm seeing on Facebook?" So of course with him, I feel comfortable, because I know him, and so it started from there. So he sent me a link. I registered my name and my email address, and then I watched the webinar and I see the potential of this business. So I didn't double guess. I dig into it right away. So that's where it started. That was last year.
Oh, same like me. I saw the ads also on Facebook.
Yeah, marami kasi sila iba-ibang tao tapos,
Yeah.
mostly mga Pilipino. May nakikita din ako yung mga ibang lahi. Tapos, but most of the time it's like the Filipino. So so parang naengganyo din ako kasi sino ba naman yung ayaw na magtrabaho na kumikita? you know.
Tama, tama. Extra income ka mo, sis. Especially we have kids na, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan natin ng mga extra income.
Oo. Lalo na ngayon parang the inflation.
Ah, yes, tama. So, sis, what's your impression about the business, or what are the things that you like most about this digital business? Bakit mo siya nagustuhan?
So the first one, when I watched the webinar and then I signed up, I saw that you can do it anywhere and anytime. And then yung flexibility kasi magagawa mo on your own flexible time. So katulad ko na nanay, hindi ako hindi ako I can't do any job like in like a certain specific time. You know, so ito, yung digital business na ito magagawa mo, sabi nila kasi magagawa mo ito kahit kailan. Kahit nasa bahay ka, kahit nagta-travel ka. So sabi ko, okay, so let me see this. And then, yeah, I did my research and proved that I can do it anywhere. Like, just like now, I'm at home, I'm off, I'm playing with my kid, and at the same time, we can do this business. So yun yung gusto ko. At saka, one more thing I like about it is I can meet people worldwide, just like you, sis. Like, you know, we haven't met. You know, I mean, you're in the Philippines, I'm back in United States, but you know, we became friends and worldwide, around the world,
Yeah.
New Zealand, Australia. So I like it. That's
Ah,
the
that's
reason why I like it.
good. Oh, sis, side question. How long have you been there in North Carolina? Uh,
9 years.
that's long.
Yeah, not North Carolina. I think 5 years because I'm originally from Colorado, and then we moved here in North Carolina. So I started back in Colorado, and then we just moved here 5 years ago.
Oh, that's good to hear, sis. So, I have a follow-up question, sis. Did you realize from the start that there is a great potential of this business? What is then your greatest reason for staying up until now? Ano yung mga rason mo bakit hanggang ngayon gusto mong gawin tong business na to?
So when I see the potential, yung pag nakita kasi nila yung compensation plan, how much you're gonna earn, you know, how much you're gonna earn in the long run, it's it will really gonna provide extra income, you know, source of income. Gaya na ng sabi natin kanina, most of our business partners already quit their job kasi mas malaki pa yung kinikita nila sa business kaysa sa trabaho nila. Kasi business, hindi ito katulad ng trabaho kasi dito sa US, hourly kami. So hourly pay, let's say $20 per hour ka. So, ganyan lang talaga yung kikitain mo kahit mag-excel ka pa sa trabaho. So, let's say, ang galing-galing mo sa trabaho, ginagalingan mo talaga, tapos, yung ibang employee, wala lang, parang mga tamad-tamad lang. Pero yung sasahurin mo, same pa rin sa kanila. You know, pero yung business na ito, the more effort you exert, the more income that you're gonna earn. So, maano mo talaga yung worth mo as, you know, hindi lang as an employee but as a person. Kasi,
Yes.
Tapos maganda yung kagalingan sa atin kasi yung company, yung affiliated company partner natin, magandang company, you know, matagal na sila. They've been in the business for 50 years. So it's already proven and tested. So that's the other thing that I like why I'm staying with this business.
That's true, sis. Ako relate din ako dyan. We all know that, you know, having a job and having a steady income is, ano, doon natin kinukuha ang ating bread and butter. Pero syempre, sino ba naman ang hindi gustuhin magkaroon ng extra income, di ba? O inflation, yan sa inyo, sa Amerika. Eh dito rin sa Pilipinas, lalo kung magpapaaral ka ng anak na soon, hindi naman laging ano yung anak mo. We have an audience watching here in Saudi Arabia.
Yes, we are worldwide. Okay.
Yes, that's worldwide talaga tayo. So I have a next question for you, sis. What advice you can give or share for those who are just starting their own digital business? Just like us na tayo nag-uumpisa. Ano naman yung advice mo na mabibigay dun sa mga mag-start ng kanilang online business soon sa atin?
Okay, so to anybody that is just about to start their business, my advice, because I was on your position too, I was once a beginner. So I just want to let you know, never quit, because the time that you quit is the end of your journey. So the the business is up and down. There's going to be ups and downs. So when you are down, just keep going, and then even when you're on the top, still keep going. And then don't hesitate to ask, because we are worldwide, and we have a big community that will help us anytime. You know, we have a big community that support each and every business partners we have. Tapos ano, be consistent lang. You know, that's why I said your earning depends on how much effort you put into your business. So, katulad ng mga, let's say, every day pag nag-show up ka lang sa business mo, of course, may aanihin ka talaga.
Tama, tama. Kung ano yung tinanim, siya yung aanihin, di ba? Ika nga, sis. Oo, tama. Kagaya nung sa'yo. Sa akin kasi, matagal-tagal na ako ng konti dito eh. And we have a very good community, di ba? Lumalaki na ng ating community of all professionals yung kaano natin dito. Tsaka maganda yung ating system, di ba? The system that we are using is 90% automated. So, kung hindi ka tech savvy, hindi naman importante. Kasi dito, yung step-by-step guide natin, napakadaling sundan, di ba? So, for anyone out there na gustong mag-join sa aming online business, you can just feel free to message me or to Sis Jerlyn. Our website is shown on the screen, ladies and gentlemen. For all you know, our business is legit, guys, 100%. We are, it's a DTI registered, and we are paying taxes. That means legit siya. Di ba, sis, no?
Yes.
So, sis, bago tayo last sa ating live video, last message mo po sa ating audience. Anong last message mo for us?
Alright, so sa mga nanonood sa amin at saka gustong kumita ng extra habang nasa bahay lang or while you are traveling, this business is for you. Check and see it for yourself. You can watch our webinar on any of our website. All you have to do is just to register your name and a valid email address, and then you're going to receive an email. So you watch that webinar and see if this business fits you. But for the most people, it's really flexible. You can do it while you're at home taking care of your kids, just like me. I mean, I told him not to come on the computer, but he did. But and then you can do it also while you are working full time. Like me, I'm a full-time registered nurse, but I still work. Sometimes I check my business through my phone on my break time. So this is really flexible. While you're traveling as well, you can do this one. It's worldwide. So wherever you are, you can do this as long as you have a phone or laptop and an internet. So check us out and come join our team.
Yes. So thank you so much, sis. Ayun, before we finish our live conversation with Sis Jerlyn. Sis Jerlyn, thank you so much for accepting my invitation again. That's napakagandang mga guide na sinabi mo para sa ating online sa ating business na to. Syempre, kung gaano ka nga naman kasipag sa parang sa isang business, kung masipag ka, syempre kikita ka ng maganda, kaya kailangan nating magsipag, sis.
I know we will.
Yeah. So thank you so much, sis. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all from us. So thank you so much for watching our live video. Just like what I've said earlier, if you have any further questions and if you want to join any of us, feel free to send us a message or register your name and email address and on any of our website that was shown on our screen. So that's all from us, guys. And thank you so much.
Good
Sister B,
night.
thank you so much. Hanggang sa susunod po. Bye,
Okay.
everyone. Hanggang sa
Bye.
muli. Bye
God
po.
bless. Bye.
Bye.